Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off memories on Messenger. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Messenger app on your phone. Once you are here, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And now, tap on this gear icon at the top. Now, scroll down and look for the Memories option. Once you find it, tap on it. In the memory settings, you will see two options right here. Simply toggle off the switch next to Memories. After doing this, your Memories notifications will be turned off and you won't receive any more reminders from Messenger. And that's it. You have successfully turned off Memories on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.